Hello and welcome to Maileroo's technical series. In today's episode, we will be showing you how to implement an emailing service into your WordPress site via two options. The first option is the SMTP relay, followed by the second option, which will be the email API. So once you've logged into your Maileroo account, you'll see this screen here. You just click the left-hand side, which is the email API, this option here. We're going to click select on this. We're then going to navigate to our domain section here on the left-hand side. So by default, Maileroo offers you a domain that you can start sending from right away. Otherwise, if you'd like to implement your own domain, you can just click this button up here and follow the necessary steps. We do have a help guide for this as well, and I'll put that in the link in the description. So for the sake of the video, we're going to use the default domain offered. We're going to just click into the domain here. Clicking into this will open up a new drop down here on the left-hand side. We're going to navigate to SMTP accounts and click into this. You'll see all the configuration details here at the bottom. If you want to add any of these details into another platform outside of WordPress that allows for this, then they're all here. Now to set up an account for this domain, we want to go in the top right here, click New Account. Clicking this will open up a modal and it'll ask us to create an alias. So we're going to do a do not reply for this video. We're going to click Create an Account. Creating this account will give us the full username here along with the password. If it is compromised, we can reset the password or hit delete, and then if we do that, we can then start the process again of creating a new account. So the next step, we want to go to the WordPress website, and we're going to go to plugins because now we need to install a new plugin. We're going to go plugin, we're going to type in Maileroo. We do have our own plugin for this, so we do recommend using it. All we need to do now is just install and then activate it. So as that's installing, we're then just going to click activate, and then we'll see it pop up on the left-hand side here, simple SMTP. So clicking this, as you can see, these details won't pop up, but I did a little test before. So what we're going to do is, this was how it will appear to you with the SMTP and the Maileroo API as two different methods that you can use. So going to our SMTP accounts, we're going to grab the username. We're going to put that in here into the username. And then we're going to also make that our from email. Now, these default configurations are already set up here, so you don't need to touch any of this. Now we're just going to go back to our account and copy our password across. So once we put that in, we're just going to now do our from name, and we're going to do Maileroo demo for this, and we're going to hit save. Now that that's been saved, we're going to go over to our mail tester. This is a free tool that we offer that allows you to test your mail, and this will be a link in the description as well. So what we're going to do is we're just going to refresh this page to generate a new one. We're going to copy this. We're going to go back to our Maileroo dashboard and go to overview here. We're now going to paste that email address into an authorized recipients list here, and we're going to just click save recipient. You'll see that it's successfully been put in here. So now what we want to do is we want to go back to the mail tester, and we're going to start this process of testing the mail to ensure that we're actually receiving it. So we click that, and then we're going to go test connection, and we're going to send email. We'll have a little green button that pops up here. The test email has been sent successfully. Brilliant. Now we're going to go back to our dashboard here, and we're going to go to our logs to check if we've actually sent it. And you can see here, the latest one has been sent at 3:59. We're going to click view events. We're going to go and check that is the address that we've actually just sent it to. We can confirm that by checking the details here. Once we've done that, and we've checked the logs for that, we can get some reassurance by going back to the mail tester and simply scrolling down. You'll see here the analysis of the email. our from name, along with the do not reply that we've set up. And then any other details that have popped up, you can see here, this is just a email, test email that's been sent from the plugin, as well as any other details that have popped up. So there's a pretty cool tool that will show you some information about the email itself, so you can play around with that. And that is your SMTP setup. So the next step for option 2 is the email API. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to sending keys. We're going to click into sending keys. Because we don't have any set up, we're going to now show you the setup process. It's very straightforward. We're going to go new sending key. We're going to have an identifier or a name. Use something unique. For this video, we're just going to call this WordPress plugin. We're going to copy this sending key into our plugin now. We're going to remove out the old one that I've tested with, and we're going to input the new one. And then we're going to hit save changes. And now we're going to test the connection again. So we're going to go and copy this across. And we're going to test this out. And the test email has been sent successfully. And now we can go back to our dashboard and go to logs. And we can check the latest logs have come through. And it's been accepted, delivering, and delivered. Brilliant. So now we can just scroll down here and we'll just refresh this one quickly. And you'll see it's been updated with the latest email that's been sent to it. And you can see here with our do not reply and the Maileroo demo. So now our email API has been successfully implemented into our WordPress platform. And now we can start sending from our WordPress site. And it's as simple as that. So we thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, general questions or any technical questions, you can contact us on our website at maileroo.com. Or if you want to subscribe, we'd appreciate that one too. And you can leave a comment in this video if you need any help. We'd happily reply to any requests. Thank you so much once again, and we hope you enjoyed.